Hey guys, welcome back to the Techatronic, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make the smart water heater. As you can see in the video, you can set the temperature by pressing the push button, and the third button is to set the temperature, and after pressing the third button the heater start working, and when it goes to the threshold temperature, which is 34 and the current temperature is 32, then the alarm will start and the water heater will stop working. You can see everything in the demo. So now the temperature is 33 and now 34. You can hear a voice of buzzer and you can see the relay is not working now. So let's get started without any delay. You will need a 16x2 LCD display, Arduino Nano, relay modules, DS1820 temperature sensor, some push button, water heater, buzzer, potentiometer, and 10K resistor with some hookup wires and a PCB board. Will help to assemble all the component at one place, so you can do the wiring easily. I placed Arduino Nano, LCD display and push buttons. Now the buzzer and relay is remaining. After placing all the components, we need to do the soldering. So here I am inserting this potentiometer, which can control the contrast of the LCD. So here you can see I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Code and other detail will be uploaded to the website, which is techatronic.com. You can find a lot of projects there. So we have completed the soldering part, and now we have to do the code. After uploading the code, you can see here there is some text inside the LCD, and we can set the temperature, increase, decrease and set temperature. So now here's the demo.